Best user reviews of the CEP Construction Electrical Products 6450M 50 feet black rubber temporary power cord with 50M plug-ins. Power cord creates an easy transition from primary power to standard 50M temporary power boxes. For use in extreme cold weather. OSHA approved. CEP Construction Electrical Products have 30 years experience in innovative solutions for construction and industry. They specialize in electrical products for the professional construction, military, rental and entertainment industry. All of their products are made to the highest quality standards. Real users share their experience. Number 1. 5 stars. Donkey Kong 74. 5-star, great products, Donkey Kong 74. Number 2. 4 stars, Donnie S. 4-star, nice cord, flexible in cold weather, Donnie S. To read all the reviews, click the link in the description below.